Okay viewers, welcome back to Raiseway, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Now on this version of Raiseway, my Tacoma modification I'm going to do is I'm going to put a extend the drain hose that's sort of attached to the AC condenser so it doesn't drip on my frame. So let me show you what I got and we'll take it from there. Okay viewers, now what you're looking at here is the inside of my passenger side wheel well, and they do have this cover, this little rubber cover thing. They got these clips on it that you will have to take out. And now they're easy to pull out. Just pull them out real slow. You can get in behind her and try to squeeze them together a little bit to help pop them off. So I didn't take them all out. I only had to take a couple, you know, 1, 2, well, I popped the, I don't know, 3 pieces. Okay, anyways, here is the, if you can see it here, this is the condenser drain. Now if I can get a little closer here, it's kind of hard to see doing it this way, of course. So there you go, there's a picture of the hose from the condenser drain, and what's right underneath it is the frame. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend that so it doesn't. Now I am getting this rust proof, by the way, and I wanted to get this done before I did that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide a hose over top of that and reroute it past the frame so it drips to the ground, and we'll zip tie that in and we'll be good to go. So now what I ended up getting, we have some 5/8 inch heater hose, which is, you know, not that expensive. You can go to Home Depot and so forth and get the or Lowe's and get that white or clear hose, but I think that gets brittle and turns yellow and stuff like that. At least with this black here, you know, a heater hose, it should be okay. It's what it's used for, you know, for the automotive industry. And I got 1 hose clip. So what I'm going to do is just going to shove this on the end of it, extend it and reroute it and zip tie it, cut off the extra, and we're good to go. So let me get this going here for you, and we'll show you the end result. And obviously this is all you need, and maybe like a socket or a Phillips head to tighten the clamp. Okay viewers, a little bit hard to see, but here's that clamp coming out of there. Okay, so I got that hose on there. I have it running down. It's not gonna be kinked or anything like that. I got a zip tie here. There's a bracket here, so I got a zip tied here, and I'll show you from underneath where I got that going from there. But from up here, we can just you know, reinsert this this cover. And so again, it's real easy. Now the cover's all back in. Not too hard. It's kind of junky, if you ask me. Alright, so let me get underneath and I'll show you where I got it run from there. Well, up in there, see where it's at? So it's above this frame rail. Let me zoom out a little bit. So then, you know, it's above the frame rail here. See, it's coming out right there. And then I got it zip tied here, here, so it's away from the exhaust. And then I got it going underneath this frame reel over here. So there's the second zip tie head. So again, I got it coming here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so I got it from coming from there down, zip tied to here. Got 2 zip ties on there and cut. That way it's going to drip onto the ground and not onto any frame right from there, and it doesn't stick down too far where it's hanging or going to be moving. So this is a bracket here that I zip tied it to, so it should all be good, and that will help preserve your frame. Again, this is all going to be under rust proofed anyways. So I'll show you that video once this is done, and what this will all look like once it's rust proofed. It's not going to be Z-barred. It's not going to have that rubber undercoating crap. So I'll tell you what product I'm going to be using, where I'm going to go, and what it's all about later. So like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on Ray's Way.